Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1190, and today's topic is the medicinal chemistry of vitiligo. In Indian subcontinent, more especially in India, is commonly known as leukoderma, and in Indian language they call it safed dagh, that is white spot or cold white spot. And there is lot of myth, misconception, perception about this medical condition of skin, I call it. Especially in India, definitely it must be here in Nigeria also. And today, globally, 140 million people are suffering from vitiligo. And here in Nigeria, every year they are reporting up to 100,000 cases in 220 million population. And in India is almost 1 million. But actually this vitiligo or leukoderma, that is white spot on the skin, it is called skin disease. But strictly speaking, as a medicinal chemist, I will call it is the problem of pigmentation protein, and that pigmentation cell is called melanocyte. It's called melanocyte. And this melanocyte is producing melanin. So melanocyte is the cell, and that cell is responsible of producing melanin, and that melanin is dark in color of your skin, and that on the epidermis, upper layer of the skin, that networking of that cell which is producing this color, that is melanin, is maintaining. Why spot, that is white spot, is appearing? Because of autoimmune system. It is autoimmune disease. I call it autoimmune disease. Here, disease means we should not think of it either bacterial or maybe viral type of infection. No, it is not the disease of contact. It is not contagious. It is not by touching, so somebody will get. It is simply discoloration, depigmentation of your color due to autoimmune system. Now, what is the meaning of autoimmune disease or autoimmune disorder? We can say autoimmune disorder means whatever melanocyte, that color cells are produced, which are maintaining the color upper layer, they are damaged by your own immune cell, your own immune system. And wherever the damage is more, the big area, usually it is either eyelid side, lip side, fingernail side. These are all the areas where it starts. That white, milky white spot. And let me make it very clear. There are some different type of skin disorder. Sometimes there may be some reddish patches, some swelling, or some itching. You should not have any confusion about that unless it is milky white color spot or patches. That one is actually vitiligo or leukoderma. And here, let me make it very clear that this autoimmune disease, what it is happening, it is they are saying that those who are having family history, they must get. It's not that if suppose two of the vitiligo, male and female, if they marry, not that all his or her children will be suffering from leukoderma or white spot. No. It is only genetic mutation. Some genetic change may happen so that maybe if he has 2-3 children, one may get, or sometime no one should get. And also let me make it very clear. It's not that this type of medical condition, that is vitiligo, white spotting of the skin, is not that if someone is not having any family history, will not get. No, anybody can get. Any race can get. Some myth is there. Some people say that no, it is common only in dark skin. It is not like that. It happens in white skin also, but since white skin is itself white, sometimes that spot is not located. Even your hair, discoloration, decoloration from black to white is vitiligo. Eyelid and all, anywhere where your normal color is disappearing is because of your autoimmune disease system that is happening. And what are the symptoms actually? The symptom I have already told you, white patches, and if you have some mole and that mole is surrounded by little white ring, it means it is a starting point and it can be changed into vitiligo, or sometimes if someone is having melanoma, cancerous condition of the skin, and you know skin is the largest organ of your body, and there are 2,400 skin diseases in the world today. So, a variety of medical condition of skin is there, and if you have any skin itching or problem, because skin, once the mother of all skin disease, I call it medicinally itching, irritating. If you get irritation and itching, you must consult your qualified dermatologist, because they are expert in epidermis and dermal protein and pigmentation. That is very, very important, because I have already told you that there are 2,400 skin diseases or skin condition, and skin is your largest body organ, and it is responsible, it has pores of releasing lot of toxins from your body in the form of sweating. So first condition, it is, those who are more, prone to leukoderma, means those who are having sedentary life, easygoing, lazy-going. They are not doing exercise. If they are not doing exercise, their skin is just lying like this, and lot of toxins are not removed by sweating. So you must do such type of hard work or exercise so that at least there is sweating. If you are having sweating, then the chance of getting vitiligo condition is less. Also, reduce the intake of acidic food, that is called animal product. That will also reduce the chance. And if you have anybody who is having skin cancer, melanoma, and if they are going for radiotherapy, where sometimes ultraviolet or some different type of isotope radiation is subjected to that, it can also cause. And the latest research shows that those who are having a deficiency of vitamin C and vitamin D, they are also having chance of getting this medical condition of vitiligo, that is leukoderma. And many people are saying that there is cure, claiming in India a lot of naturopathy, traditional doctors, Ayurvedic, Unani, so many homeopathy. They are saying they after treating for few months, 6 months, 1 year, or sometimes steroidal cream is there, applying that. To be very frank, if we go to chemistry, it's a pigmentation, it's protein, autoimmune system. There is no any 100% cure for this, but there are cases where your immune system itself, that is autoimmune system, once your body immune system cells are very strong, they can recover themselves and that patches may disappear. And if somebody is doing having some treatment, they will claim that okay, Mr. X got the recovery. It's not that, it is only automatically with their bodies. Your body itself is a hospital. Lot of reaction is going on, antioxidant reaction, anti-inflammatory reaction. And here in indigenous system in India, all Ayurvedic, all homeopathic, they say stop sore taste, means stop all the citrus fruit. The modern chemistry says, medicinal chemistry, that if your vitamin C level is down, you are subjected to different type of diseases. Your immune system is weak. If your level of vitamin C and vitamin D is less, all type of skin irritation may be there. And skin irritation is the mother of all skin diseases. And the language of any disease is nothing but symptoms. Symptom is the language speaking that, yeah, this is the thing. So I will be showing you all those different type of vitiligo. And here, let me make it very clear. I'm sorry to mention in India, in Indian language, if suppose anybody is having this skin disorder, pigmentation, in society, first, all the people, even relatives, family members, they will look down socially. They will not accompany, they will not touch, they will not share any food or anything with them, and giving the impression that he is untouchable is very, very wrong myth and misconception. He is equally good like you. Only thing is that his melanocyte cells are being damaged and attacked by your own immune system. That is called autoimmune disease. And not only this, leukoderma or vitiligo, so many other diseases are there you are suffering because of autoimmune system. Rheumatoid arthritis, all these are autoimmune disease. So pigmentation is also autoimmune disease. So it is not like leprosy or syphilis. They are bacterial. From that one can get any infection once they come in contact, in touch. Otherwise, leukoderma, vitiligo, is medical condition of pigmentation, discoloration, depigmentation, not bacterial or viral. But in our society, still, but nowadays, once the science and education is there, so people are especially educated in urban area, they are understanding that it is not like that. So there is, of course, some improvement. Only thing is that there is no cure. Automatically it can be cured, and others will claim that it is by homeopathy is treated, by allopathy or by Unani. It's not like that. It is autoimmune disease. Only thing is that by taking care of your lifestyle, you can reduce the chance of getting this. First thing, stop using all synthetic products like perfume, deodorant, some type of chemicals. For example, benzene and phenol. if you are getting any irritation out of benzene and phenol, especially phenol, there is chance of damaging of your melanin skin pigment. Some deodorant are there that is irritant. Also in India, for cosmetic reason, they are putting some that is called one small spot, bindia. Bindia can irritate your skin and it can damage your melanocyte cells, and you may get that thing using different type of synthetic chemicals. You don't know what is there inside. They may irritate your skin. Actually, the irritation and itching of the skin is the mother of this. So avoid such type of thing. Be natural. Different type of nowadays synthetic shampoo, soap are there. Once you are sure, and if there is any itching, any irritation by using any product, stop it. That is the language of the disease. That just like I say, I don't want. So once you get any skin irritation or itching or allergy by using anything, immediately stop it. That is the indication. That is the language of disease. That no, you are going to suffer from this. And also, when you are talking of food, shift to more fiber, more natural food, and also raw material, because if you have more enzyme, more antioxidants, more anti-inflammatory phytochemicals, they are going to support your immune system. And if your immune system is strong, definitely it will reduce the chance of that is called autoimmune disease condition. And if you get any white spot, it will not spread. At least you can check it and you can stop the progression of the spreading of the vitiligo condition or leukoderma. This is what I am showing you is the seedling of vitiligo, means leukoderma. If you have any mole and that mole is surrounded by the white ring, you must be very careful and immediately you should go to qualified dermatologist to know the condition of your skin. Here, very clear picture I am showing. It is the melanocyte cells, and that cell networking is covering your skin. And because of that, you see that those cells are producing melanin, and that melanin is your skin color, dark color, that is maintaining. And if that networking of your melanocyte cells, if they are damaged because of autoimmune system, your own cells are damaging, you will get small white, that is milky white spots or patches. So it is the beginning of that is leukoderma, and it started from eyelid, eyebrow, and eye side. Sometimes it will come to lip side and then to finger side. But if some care is taken in lifestyle, we can stop the progress of this type of disorder, that health condition, definitely by taking care of vitamin D, vitamin C. Is as per latest research publication, we can stop the progression of this condition. It is full-blown vitiligo or leukoderma, that is white spot on whole face. It must be there in her leg and foot, and it is we can say we cannot cure, and also the progression is difficult to reduce because it has gone in a chronic condition. So here what I have given the explanation about the leukoderma, white spot on the skin, is purely today's research publication, medicinal chemistry, that is, it is clear autoimmune disease and there is no cure. There are some reasons, and also some reasons are also there. One is that is in a natural way, because of autoimmune system, the cells are killing. But there are some conditions like burning, where your skin is burned, and after burning that white patch will appear or spot, and it will be forever. So that is also leukoderma condition. Or sometimes you have multiple injury or cut. Out of that it happens. I have already told you that irritation, itching of the skin is the first language of this disease. And by putting anything, even sometimes the plastic slipper people are using for many years, and they are not noticing the itching and irritation, and it happens like that. And there is very serious myth in Indian subcontinent. One gentleman came and he was telling that last year I took fish and milk together, and next day I got the white spot. He's a telling lie. He's a liar. This myth is wrong. That if you take curd and take meat, take fish and take milk, so many other things are there. The combination of food is all myth. It is not having any scientific experimentation or statistical data. So don't believe in all this. Take your food normally. Only thing is that to avoid the constipation, because sometimes constipation is also linked to your autoimmune disease. So that's why it is recommended that avoid the stick food, animal food, and shift to fruit and vegetables, so that your digestive system is not under stress and strain, and lot of enzymes are not used to hydrolyze those food. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.